I am Hardy Brute, and today we will be playing Shotgun Cop Man. And you can see he's got a big shotgun in his right hand. But in his left, he's got a pistol. 5 years ago in the Shotgun Division boot camp. This is a keyboard and mouse game. You aim the gun with your mouse. And yeah, I can only move left and right. I cannot jump. I can use the gun to jump, though. I see. Small little jump. And ooh, the shotgun jumps. Oh, that's pretty cool. It seems I have 3 shotgun blasts. And you reload your gun when you touch the ground. Alright then. Jump down by pushing the down button, the down key. Pretty straightforward so far. There's little spike traps like Mega Man. You can just shoot left so you don't have to make the big jumps. Oof, I'm out of bullets. Oh no. Seems like when you get injured, all your guns reload too. And you kind of have 2 lives, but you can get them back. This is like a card. Oh, so if you shoot, you can hover. At least till you run out of bullets. Pistol jumps so you don't go straight into the spikes. Makes sense. Use the little pistol jump to avoid the bullets. Okay. Easy enough. It's more bad guys. More targets, at least. Not really that bad. Although I'm a cop and I definitely know they're bad guys. I couldn't shoot my gun at them otherwise. It just wouldn't work. The trigger just wouldn't. It wouldn't work. Pretty just a little area up there for no reason. Today, the current day. Okay, this was 5 years ago before. Go to hell. Arrest Satan. I am the justice or die. Alright. And level 1-1, just like Mario, but with shotguns. Let's go. Good little slidey walls. Freeze, Satan, you're under arrest. Well, that's not very nice. This guy has 2 little fairy friends, okay. See, these guys look a lot more threatening. Or we can pick them up. Push F again. Yeah, he can throw them at each other, nice. Small little spike trap there, a bigger one there. Gotta get all the demons. Just fall down and shoot. Yeah, there we go. So there's a speed involved. Doing it all at once, no damage, killing them all. I see. I'm not gonna be too concerned about speed. I feel like some of these levels, if you play it once or twice, or you figure out where things are, just a small little jump, you can run it back and then do the speed if you really want to. But getting it all done the very first time you play it is... A lot of times there's tricks to the levels. Or there's hidden bad guys or all sorts of things. I definitely want to shoot all the bad guys though. I mean, that sounds fun. Oh no. I missed the 2 guys out there. None shall live. There we go. Oh, and it seems like your shotgun does a bunch of damage too. 20 seconds too slow. It's only the 2nd level though. Pick up a bigger pistol. It seems to be like a gat. So it shoots like 3 bullets, semi-automatic. Oh, and those are like little windows you can shoot bullets through, but you can't jump through. I see. Big open windows. And the gun seems to auto-track a little bit the targeting. I'm running dangerously low on bullets. Come on, buddy, come on. There you go. It takes like 3 or 4 bullets to kill them. Oof, I was trying to go to the right there. Get my heart back. It seems I lost my gun too. My better pistol, but it was still a pistol. It really wasn't that much better. 40 seconds on that one. It's pretty fast. I waited for that heart though. Cool little side spike traps that I ran right into. Come on, come on, everybody gets one. Everybody gets one. Alright, sometimes you get more than one. It's not my fault. 3 bad guys down there. Get him around the curve there. Oh, it seems like they drop the guns. Maybe once you find them. You can stand on the dotted lines. You can also go up and down the dotted lines. And they don't seem to notice you until they can actually see you. They don't seem to react. It's not like they're setting up for you. Oh, an AK-47. Oh, and I don't have to pull the trigger so many times. 34. Oh, okay, I gotta kill all the bad guys in the room to unlock the level. I like the forced fight. Puzzles are fun too with the... Get to try out the different guns. Got shot from below. Oh. He died. Oh, you just get to restart. 6 guys are still dead. So it's like there's like a checkpoint system. So death is kinda meaningless. Although it would affect your time. Oof. Get the heart, get the heart. And the heart kinda sucks towards you a little bit. It's not so bad though. Get the AK. Oh my god, there's so many flyer guys. Take out all the guys. 4 more guys. 3 more guys. Nice. Oh, then the door's open. Moving out. Level 5 now. It's only 10 seconds off of that one. It's not so bad. And I still have my AK-47, so it seems like you get to keep the guns. Which kind of makes the time challenge part weird. Okay, I got you. I got you. I didn't think I could fit through there. Go right into the spike. Buzzsaw. Small little jumps. Big little sauce. Out of bolts. Hey, you get launched so far with the shotgun. Straight into the buzzsaw, nice. Oof, can barely make that. Touch the ground, get my ammo back. 2 more saw blades down there. A little bit of hover action. Oh, see, the wall's curved. I went straight into it. Big saw blades. Yeah, I was not gonna get the speed one on that one. Go down, up, down, up. Nice. Saw blades aren't so bad. Go with the pistol, I guess. It is better than your normal pistol, but not by much. Maybe it's got more ammo. Or the same ammo, but it fires 3 times. Yeah, right into the saw blade. You get your life back, but you don't seem to get your gun back if you lose it. Go, go, go. Oh man, sitting right on the saw. It's not so bad. Dodge the bullets. The symmetrical saw blades, love it. Man. Go down, down, down. Oh, the saw blade's following. Alright. Now spinning, rotating fireballs from Mario. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, right into the bullet again. I feel like most of my wasted time is waiting for that heart to come back. Could probably just right into the saw blade. I have to deal with these guys on the top side. There we go. Big shot, big shot. Get the AK going. Lots of rotating saw blades. That one's going pretty fast. Down and around. Oh, just right into it. Oh, the end of the level is right there. I just got smooshed on it. Yeah, the game's pretty forgiving. Makes it more of a chill game. You can just keep playing until you finish. You can always replay the entire level to get the speed down if you really cared. Ooh, now I got 2 shotguns. It seems like the little shotgun still has the hover ability. It's not kicking me back nearly as much as the original shotgun. It does a lot of damage though. Slide down the wall. Yeah, one taps him. If you're close enough. Nice. Interesting little pocket of enemies. And more enemies. And there we go. I'm 1 of 9. Ooh, and I actually got all the challenges that time. First time for everything. Saw blades. Kind of seems like these are zones, and this is the saw blade area 1 through 10, maybe? Or all saw blades? Saw blade mechanic that they modify. Have them rotating. The ceiling one. Get the pistol. Man, there's so much dirt. See, like this level, if you had the shotgun, you'd be able to clear the dirt faster, and the time travel would be a lot easier. Oh yeah. See, I wanted to go up from the bottom. I noticed the little wall over here. Shoot the dirt from the side and then go up from the bottom. Gotta hover. Big shot. Now let's go. Didn't get the speed run, but there was so much dirt on that level. 34 with a rotating. Do they get... Ooh, it looks like they explode too from the spikes. If they hit them. Yeah, that guy just jumped straight into his own death. Nice. Shotgun. Gotta get my heart. Shotgun. Yeah, rotating saw blades are probably never gonna hit those flare guys though. Almost at 30. Get the heart. 2 more guys. Oh, he's up in the corner. The saw blades don't stop. I got the time. I got beat the time by a lot on that one. More rotating saws. We've got the shotgun again. Shotgun just one taps things. Pew, pew. Nice. Oh, a short level. I got all the challenges again. Doesn't seem like you get anything for the challenges either. Which I think I prefer. Otherwise, I might be obligated to actually try. To keep replaying the level till I get it. And I wouldn't actually enjoy that. Becomes a trivial matter of just keep going and going. Memorizing the level layout. But they could give you hats. Everybody loves hats. Get enough points, unlock hats. That's all we really want. Saw blade. Oh, there's two of them. Doesn't seem so bad. Man, I love one-tapping these guys. Barely dodging those bullets. Oof. Nice. I messed that one up. It's a lot easier going down than it is to go up. And sometimes you have to move the mouse from one extreme angle to the next. Which would be even harder in the controller, I think. Which I don't think this game has controller support. Man, getting right into the saw blade over and over and over. I'm spending most of my time and getting myself hurt just trying to get the life back. It's how it is in Elder Ring or Dark Souls. If you're trying to drink your potion to full life, you end up getting shot and died. Should have just dodged around the entire time. Big jump. And get to the end. Let's go. Not super slow on that one. It's so bad. If you miss up the jump, you could go on the spikes, I suppose. Can you drop him into the spikes? You're gonna fall into the... Oh, you didn't. Oh, you didn't fall in the... Oh, come on, dude. Now we'll never know. The guy just needed to fall into the spikes. Come on, everybody loves spikes. Still got my AK-47. And on we go. 6 seconds off on that one. Saw blade with an eye. But there's bosses at least. That's pretty cool. I thought maybe it was just gonna be Satan we'd have to fight. Jump around. Oh, it's following me. It's pretty fast. At least with the AK, I can just hold the button down. Oh, he's doing a big... Oh, he's doing the rotating thing? He's gonna go all the way to the end? Oh, okay. Gotta jump the wall like Mega Man, go around it. It's half dead. Seems like he's changing now. Oh, he's sending little blades now? That blade's probably just gonna be on the map now, forever. Yeah. It's probably just our life now. He's doing the same pattern that we did earlier, just with the extra little saw blade. It's almost, yeah. It's pretty easy. We didn't even get hit. Another big skull. Yeah, let's go inside the big skull. That sounds like a great idea. It's a little bit slow. But I didn't get hurt at all. Zone 2, let's go. It's Satan again. I've got a warrant for your arrest, Satan. Yeah, let's go. What you got? What are you gonna say this time? Oh, that's not nice. Man, I'm gonna shotgun that guy so hard. Oh, there's like a little mini... The mini boss guys, because they got little eyeballs now too. They die pretty easy though, and then they explode. See, I tried to shotgun both. I couldn't move my mouse fast enough. saw blades seem to follow you. It's nice if you miss them. I ran out of ammo. I reloaded right when that guy hit me. Up and up and up. Still going a little bit too slow. Looks like a new gun. Oh, it's like a splinter shot thing. That's pretty cool. See, that can be great to get rid of the dirt. So each bullet's gonna get rid of like 5 dirt. Each shot. Nice. I'm not sure how anyone's gonna survive. I don't even have to aim, I just have to shoot in their general direction. It's a pretty good dirt weapon though. Or if the guys are in the corner or something. And you still have that single scope laser in the middle, so you can put it in a general direction. 42 seconds, 6 seconds fast. That's waves of bullet. Oh, that was too fast. I lost my gun, no. Yeah, I can't get it through the ground. I'm already committed. Down, up. Ooh, back and forth, left and right. It reminds me a lot of the Path of Exile Sanctum with the flame traps going left and right and left and right, and you gotta path your way through them. I don't know why I didn't get hit there. I'm just that good. Yeah, they had traps like this too, where there'd be waves of bullets. Although in that case there was flames. Gotta do hover jumps, I guess. Get the 8K. It's the 8 seconds off. Yeah, the AK is nice for hovering too. Oh, I was going too fast. The small little pocket in the middle. Go on the right. Oh, I almost got hit there. I like the bullet trap maze thing. It's pretty fun. As long as it doesn't make you stop a bunch of times and wait. Which is still okay, but that gets tedious. These are all pretty fast. Good speed. 2 twos. Up, down, up, down. Oof. The hover kept me up there. This one's easier when you stop moving, you can tell where the bullets really are. More saw blades. 5 seconds off. Oh, I didn't make. I should have hovered a little bit. More spikes. AK. Yeah, see, the AK makes you hover real nice. Keeps you going. Oh, straight into the spikes, man. Lost my AK. I made the speed on that one. What are those explosions? No, it's like a bouncy thing. It's a bouncy castle. Oh, saw blade guy followed me. Alright. Goes a little bit further than your shotgun blast, it seems like. Oh, but does it bounce the bullets back? Yeah, it does. I see. Get all the saw blades to get stuck on the wall. Pistol's better than nothing. It bounced my bullets too. Little saw blade over there. Bouncy, bouncy. And away we go. 10 seconds slow on that one. 25 guys, and we're stuck in the funhouse. Bouncy, bouncy. Is it only going to be buzzsaws? Get the shotgun, get the shotgun. Oh, it's so hard to get the shotgun. Everything's so bouncy. Okay, now there's bullets everywhere. 3 more. Oh, right into the guy. Everywhere, bouncing. Come on now. Yeah, I get to take the shotgun at my next level. Come on, there you go. Still beat it in 2 seconds at extra time. That's the splinter gun. Still a pretty good gun. It's a lot better than the regular pistol. Although it might shoot a little bit slower. Yeah, dodging those bullets, dodging the bullets. Yeah, so the first zone was about buzzsaws. This one's kind of like trampolines. 1 second off on that one. It's a lot of trampoline episodes. Ooh, now they're bouncing up and down. They're just trying to have fun. Lost my cool gun. Wow, those are big jumps. Now that's impressive. They gotta practice probably like daily. You just get that good. Big boy jumps. Oh, spike traps at the bottom. And the end of the level's right there. Zone 210. It's definitely more than 10 in the first zone as well. Oh, that's like a double shotgun. Double shot pistol gun. It's not shooting shotguns, but that's really good for clearing the dirt. Anything you hit just does double damage. I hovered right into that guy's bullet. Lost my really cool new gun. And got back the double shot. Nice. It takes half the bullets to kill them. Does a lot, and it hits more area too. I think it's just the best at clearing the dirt though. I mean, the guys drop really fast, but the dirt's my enemy. Dirt is my weakness. 51 seconds of 52. Took plenty of time. But like that right there, I could have shot down again and then shot to the left, but I didn't. It's like the first time playing the level, so how am I supposed to know? The optimum strategy. I'm gonna run out of bullets. Nice. Is that a hover? Or like this, yeah. Like that felt pretty optimal. 24 seconds, yeah, 5 extra seconds. Ooh. Maybe those bullets will take them out. Not sure if bullets can kill them. Since they fire bullets too. Yeah, it looks like the bullets just passed right through them. Just helping them out. If I felt bad for them. Shotgun, shotgun. Ooh, I was trying to go down. Didn't work. Oh, I was touching my heart though. I die. And I get to keep most of the kills. It'd make a lot more sense if the entire thing reset, but it'd also be harder, more tedious. And the game is pretty chill. You're just a shotgun cop trying to do your shotgun best in a shotgun world, okay? 1 second off. It's because I died. Oh, there's all switches now. Switch. What does the switch do? Oh, you can step on it too with your body. I see. I can shoot through there. Oh. Has to be closed and then shoot it. Yep. Oh, I made the jump and I ran out of bullets. Double shot. Switch in the middle. Oh no, no, not the switch. No. Oh god. Oh, I can't. Oh no, this is not. Oh man. Yeah, you have to hit that switch the correct way the first time, otherwise you trap yourself. Like you could just jump down and shoot it and you'd make it. Yeah, it's sort of, yeah. Oh, the bouncing bullets. Nice. Yeah, do it from the other side. Okay. No, I can't seem to make the jump. Oh, I'm supposed to, yeah, I'm supposed to hit it from the other side. End of the level. 2 of 14. It's a tad bit slow. Those switches, that switch really threw me off. Gotta wait for the bullet. What's with the door? Where's the switch? Oh, the switch is in the middle there. Oh, I see. AK-47. Whoa, that's cool. Double switch? Or triple switch? Do I have to go back and do an angle? There's no path to back there. Ah, I see you, side switch. I see you. That lone, oh, that guy got obliterated. Straight to the face shotgun. Still a bit slow, but I was messing up with those switches. I couldn't figure out where they were. So I didn't see those bullets there. Oh, I smushed myself on the door? I didn't know you could do that. Alright. Avoid the switches, just keep going, keep going. Oh, the switches are automatic. Ah, I see. I thought I had to keep hitting that top switch over and over and over. I didn't realize it was all like an elevator. I see. And I missed those 3 guys because I couldn't get back up. Ooh, a sexy skull guy. Just keep shooting him in the head. He likes it. He likes being shot in the head. He's just jumping around. Like a lot of Mega Man bosses. Gets shotgun. Shotgun does a lot of damage. His only power is to take bullets in the head. Let's go. Oh, I mean, he threw daggers at my face. Come on, man. Oh, he's a bunch of daggers? Okay. Okay. Gotta jump around, jump around. He just left his body there on the ground. Now he's doing his jump again. Jump around. His jump really isn't very threatening, though. Maybe he jumps 3 times and then throws daggers. If that's the 4th, I don't know. 5 times? I think he just throws his daggers whenever he feels like it. Ah, that was Act 2. that was Zone 2. Beat the boss. It's 1 second off on the speed. That is Shotgun Cop. I'll be seeing you.